Hi everyone. So I had made a video on how to get free Project Life app kits for an Android phone, and this is how you would do it for iPhone or iPad device. I have an iPad, so it doesn't work quite as well. I actually use a Android Note 8 phone for my day-to-day use, but for all of you lucky people who have iPhones, this is what you're going to do. You're going to go to your app store, and you are going to look up Google Rewards. And you will see this app right here, Google Opinion Rewards, which I've already downloaded it. And what it is, it's a app. It sends you like surveys from time to time. This is why it's better if you have a iPhone, because it kind of bases things on like your locations. Most of the time the surveys are like, have you been to any of these places recently? And it's like Target, Walmart, like K Jewelers or something. So you never want to lie on the surveys. If you do lie, it kind of like picks up, because like it, Google tracks everything. So they know where you've been roundabout. So if you say you like went to some store, they know you haven't gone anywhere near, they're going to stop sending you surveys. And what it is each survey, they pay you anywhere from like 11 to 50, 60 cents, depending on the type of survey, and they are super quick. They take like less than half a minute to finish the survey. On the Android devices, they give you Google Play money, so you can just buy the kits with that. On Apple devices, it's a little bit different. What it is it pays out every $2. And what it is you can get Amazon money, I believe. And the way you would use that Amazon money for your Project Life app is you can buy a like iTunes gift card or App Store gift card with your money. I do believe Amazon only has like a $25 gift card to the App Store. So if you save up all your money to get a $25 card, then you have $25 free to spend on kits and all sorts of fun stuff. On the Android devices, it does like it pays out quicker. But in about 2 years of using this app on my Android phone, I've made about $120 that I've just spent on Project Life apps. I don't have a lot of money on my iPad using this app, only because it doesn't have location services. I don't really take it anywhere. It kind of stays at home. But for those of you who have iPhones, you'll get a lot more surveys, because it kind of bases on where they're seeing you go around town. So it's not quite as good as like for the Android people to get free kits, but you can save up this money and buy an App Store gift card and use that gift card to buy free kits. I hope you guys have fun. I hope, save your pennies. Every little bit counts, because if you ever do get up to that amount, then, free money, free kits. And I mean, you could obviously spend this money on something else too, but just a little fun thing to do. And happy surveying.